Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Today at CRKT, we are taking a look at the Hissatsu folder. This is a James Williams design, spring-assisted, designed for tactical applications. The overall length on it is 8 3/4 inches. The blade length is 3.8 inches. You can see it's got that kind of a modified Tanto tip on it, as well as that black matte finish. Now to close this knife, it's got our auto locks on it, so you simply pull down on that button there on the back, push over on the locking liner, and then close the knife. Takes a little bit of getting used to, but once you got it down, it's a great mechanism simply because it's setting a pin against that locking liner, so it will not close until you tell it to by pulling down on that auto lock system and closing it. The handles are glass-filled nylon. You can see there's a pocket clip there. For right or left-handed carry, it is reversible. Let me show you a shot of it in my pocket to give you an idea of what it looks like. One thing I really like about this knife is it is very comfortable in hand. You can see it there. I've got normal-sized hands. You can see this is a big knife compared to my keys there. Just a big tactical knife, the sort of knife that's going to get a lot of work done out in the field. So very cool. Again, a James Williams design, spring-assisted opening with our auto locks, only from CRKT. Thanks for watching, and thanks for carrying CRKT.
This is the Schrade SCHA-12B Dual Action Magic Assisted Opening Tactical EDC Knife, one of 4 models in the SCHA-12 series. Quick to deploy, easy to carry, and tough as nails, the SCHA-12B sports a 3 1/4 inch black-coated drop-point blade. The shaving sharp, full fine edge is forged from tough, edge-retaining AUS-8 stainless steel, making it well suited for a wide range of cutting jobs at home, in the shop, on the job, or in the field. Unleash the blade from its protective handle using the Schrade Dual Action Magic Opening System. With blade closed, slide the mode selector, handle switch up, revealing the M. When the M is showing, the knife is in manual opening mode. Slide the mode selection switch down, revealing the A to engage the Magic Assisted Opening Deployment System. Snap the blade into action using the ambidextrous thumb knobs or finger actuator. To store the blade, slide the patterned liner lock to the side and carefully close the blade into the handle. Contoured bottom finger cutouts conform to the human hand, while spine side jimping increase stability and leverage. Patterned black handle slabs increase grip and shed moisture in any weather condition, while increasing the visual appeal of this blade. Add a length of cord to the lanyard hole and wrap around your wrist for additional safety. Reverse the rugged steel pocket clip for left or right pocket carry. Fashioned for versatile everyday carry, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCHA-12B Dual Action Magic Assisted Opening Tactical Pocket Knife. Find the SCHA-12B in black with full fine edge, the SCHA-12BS in black with part serrated edge, the SCHA-12 in gray with fine edge, and the SCHA-12S in gray with part serrated edge online or at your favorite local retailer. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel on YouTube, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter and Instagram for news, tips, and new product releases. To learn more about our great knives and gear, visit Schrade.com.
CRKT.
The M402 Stag, designed by legendary knife maker Kit Carson, features a high-carbon stainless steel blade with a satin finish. The 3.25-inch hollow grind blade comes in the drop-point style, which offers elegant form and extraordinary function. The frame combines strong stainless steel bolsters and traditional Stag handle scales. The M402S employs the outburst-assisted opening mechanism. Once the thumb stud is nudged outward to approximately 30 degrees, the blade springs open for instant use. A stainless steel locking liner, which when used with our locks manual safety, turns the folder into a virtual fixed blade. The Lake and Walker safety features easy one-handed closing. CRKT knives and tools are fully backed by our limited lifetime warranty. The M402 Stag is an EDC utility folder that blends traditional looks with modern convenience for an exceptional value.